Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be working on this Craftsman. No idea what year or model it used to be. This is pretty much how we bought it. I have done modifications in the years we've had it. It used to be a Craftsman lawnmower, 6-speed side shift. It's got an 18 horse Briggs twin cylinder under the hood, and it is obviously widened. It's now a 2-seater, and it's pulley swapped. This thing will do like 20 miles an hour or 25, something like that. In the years that I've had it, it's pretty much been broken more than it's been fixed and usable. The only thing that I keep breaking is the transmissions, and that's what's wrong with it right now. This is the transmission that was in it. You see, it's got an axle housing over here, but not over here. I broke it, snapped it clean off. So we've got this transmission I just picked up for 40 bucks at a local junkyard. It's supposed to have bad shift keys in it. So I am going to use the transmissions that I have and make one. The one that's in it currently is a mix of 2 different transmissions, which I was hoping would work, but it didn't. So I need the shift keys out of that one because they are the correct ones for this one. We need to get the transmission out of this thing and apart on the bench. Need to get the long axle out for this side and the shift keys. So let's get to pulling this thing apart. Alright guys, I got the old transmission out, and it's stuck. Must be in a couple of gears or something. Watch this. Fine that way. Won't go. Gets really stiff. And a minute ago when I turned it, it went snap. So something's wrong. Let's take this apart. Like I said, this is the one I got. It's leaking. Probably water got in it or something. So we'll get this one apart after this one's apart, and we'll find out what we need out of this one for this one. Let's pop the new transmission apart. Okay, so like I said, this was a transmission that was not in working order, and I guess it skipped, and the parts yard manager that I bought it from said that he believed that the shift keys were out of it, and that seems legit. It's all the way over, meaning it looks like it's in high gear. I'm holding high gear. Look how much that moves back and forth. This piece here, right here, houses the shift keys. They get pushed back and forth by this. So let's shift some gears in here and see what things look like. Ooh, come on. Maybe not. That may be the problem. It may not. Does not want to come out of high gear. Let's try a slightly more drastic measure here. Don't want to break nothing, but it does not want to come out here. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just take this whole shaft here out, and we should be able to dump all the gears off of it. We'll have to keep them in the correct order, of course, but we should be able to take all the gears off it and see what it looks like. And more than likely, I'll just pull the shaft out of the other one with shift keys and put it in this one. And if I don't see anything else, I'll probably just call it a day. Alright y'all, so I got this put together on a different shaft here. It feels like it's working better. I think we're just going to put it in, put it together. None of this stuff can really go bad a whole lot, so I don't really know what else to do about it. So I am going to try and get this put together. There we go. All right, before we go back together, I need this axle replaced with this one, or that one replaced with this one, however you'd rather I say it. You see the diff works. So now I need to figure out which way these little pegs go. I have them forward right now because that's what it looks like they should be. And then I can put that cover back on. Now I can put that cover back together. You don't want to fill it up too much so that the grease is in the way of stuff. But obviously the transmission needs to be lubricated. So you got to get something in there. I prefer grease versus oil in this application. It's a little less messy, less likely to leak out with no seal. So I use grease. And I believe a lot of these were supposed to be grease filled anyway, so it's correct in a lot of these little things. Okay, transmission's put all back in, bolted in. Before I even put the wheels on it, I'm going to start this thing, see if it'll start, and try and run through the gears. Just got back from the tire shop, put these tires on. They should hold air now. Hooked up the battery. So let's get this thing fired back up. Take it out for a spin. Pop it into reverse. Oh. Alright guys, she runs and drives again. We'll see how long that lasts. I don't see anything too terribly wrong. I don't think I opened the hood for you guys earlier either. This is the power plant in here. I did not put the fire extinguisher in, it came with it. Always a good sign. Not so much. But that's going to be the end of this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and drop a comment if you want to see this on the channel in the future. Like I said, I've had it for years and just have never put it on the channel, but I figured I would do it this time. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so it will give you notifications when I upload. Thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you on the next one.